Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Lucene Imagination's webcast of Cisco and Cisco's Pulse using Lucene Solr to put social networks to work. My name is David Fishman. I'm with the marketing group here at Lucene Imagination, and it's my pleasure this morning to host our customers at Cisco Systems as they present their implementation and some work that they've done on their Pulse social media platform. For those of you who are interested, slides will be posted for download at the end of this presentation. Full replay of the presentation will be available on the Lucene Imagination website within 48 hours of this live webcast. We'll provide a detailed URL at the end of the presentation, and you can always check back on the Lucene Imagination blog for more information. Our presenters this morning are Sonali Sambus. Sonali is Senior Search Architect and Engineering Manager here at Cisco Systems. She is a founding member of the Cisco Pulse Business Unit and holds a Master's in Computer Engineering from Rutgers University. Our next speaker will be Thangam Arumugam. Thangam is the Senior Software Architect at Cisco. He's also a founding member of the Cisco Pulse Business Unit, and he holds a Bachelor's in Engineering in Computer Science and Engineering from Bharatiya University in India. And finally, we'll have a presentation, part of our presentation from Stephen Bochinsky, who's a software engineer also at Cisco. He's a Solr software developer on the Cisco Pulse platform and holds a bachelor's degree in computer science from the University of California in San Diego. So with that, it's my pleasure to turn the presentation over to Sonali Sambus. We'll have our slides and take questions at the end. If you have questions, please feel free to submit them to the question console, and we'll take those questions as and when we have time at the end of the presentation. Thanks very much. Sonali?
Thanks, David, for providing the opportunity to the Cisco Pulse team to share our learnings on Solr with the Solr community. David was our guide and mentor for the webinar, from finding topics to creating PowerPoints. By the way, we learned that David is really good. He has this hidden talent. It's really an art for creating PowerPoints, which most of us engineers are bad at. Thanks also to Ken Hoyle for handling the logistics and to Tom Hill for the technical reviews of the webinar. At Cisco Pulse, when we took our first baby steps with Solr Lucene late last year, Lucid Imagination helped us through the initial process. Thanks a lot to folks at Lucid for their help so far. We will start the webinar with product information for Cisco Pulse and how Cisco Pulse leverages Solr. Next, we will be providing a performance use case and the approach that the Cisco team came up with for optimizing stored field retrieval performance, the field cache. Next up will be another approach for optimizing performance with Nmap. Then we switch gears from performance into a feature which we hope you will find useful, the real-time snapshot feature. And last, we will be talking about an approach for performance-efficient highlighting. The first topic on the agenda we will be providing is a little bit about Cisco Pulse. I will be quickly running through some of marketing slideware. So for those of you in there, engineers looking for the technical meat of the presentation, hold on, we'll be running right through it. So what is Cisco Pulse? Cisco Pulse is a shipping product, not the internal Cisco IT tool, which is a brainchild of Cisco's Emerging Technology Group. Cisco's Emerging Technology Group focuses on new markets and technologies that will be the future of Cisco. Cisco is not just routers and switches anymore, guys. It is switching gear into Web 2.0 technology. The idea behind Cisco Pulse is really simple yet powerful. If you think of it, Cisco's strength is that it knows the network and all the protocols in the network. The product leverages this strength, the network, to automatically discover what people know, who they know, as well as the information they value. What Cisco Pulse essentially is a search and analytics platform targeted for the enterprise market. To the enterprise user, Cisco Pulse provides automatic discovery of expertise, ability to index and search videos and documents. It tags content as it flows through the network in real time and creates a huge index of metadata information for video